Your pool might be leaking and you don't even know it yet. And if you miss this one spot, it could cost you hundreds, even thousands. Let me ask you this. Have you been adding water more than usual and just brushing it off? Is your liner pool losing water? Before you call anyone, check this first. This is one of the most common leak areas we find on jobs. Take a close look at your return fittings. That's where water comes back into your pool. Whether it's above ground or in ground, the liner around this fitting can tear, shift, or wear out over time. Sometimes you'll notice the liner looks like it's floating or bubbling a little. That's not normal. That's water slipping behind the liner and slowly leaking out. I've seen tiny pinhole tears, loose or cracked gaskets. Even small install mistakes cause leaks right here. And the scary part? Most pool owners never check this area first. So before you spend money on a service call, take a few minutes and inspect around each return. And if you want to go deeper, I put together a full guide called Where Do Most Pool Leaks Occur? Top 7 Places to Check First. It walks you through the exact spots I check on every job. And if you want the full step-by-step way to find leaks yourself, grab our free ebook on how to find a pool leak. It costs nothing, takes just a minute to download, and it could save you hundreds or even thousands. Start with the returns, and you might catch this before it gets worse. And if this helped you, make sure you subscribe for more simple pool tips that can save you money. Got a question about your pool? Drop it in the comments. I'm here to help. Stay safe and take care.